After months of keeping the fans anticipating, Apple has officially unleashed macOS Tahoe 26 to the public, and it's far more than just a makeover. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. From a complete refreshed new look to deeper AI integration and serious gaming upgrades, Tahoe 26 might just be the it version of the modern Mac. If we dive into the upgrade, the first thing we'll notice is the stunning new liquid glass interface, Apple's fluid design language, now shared across all platforms. It's more than just treat for your eyes. With translucent panels, smoother edges, and modernized system menus, macOS now feels like a luxury item. Under the hood, Spotlight gets its biggest upgrade ever, and sections for apps, files, clipboard history, and most excitingly, shortcuts. You can now tap into Apple Intelligence for AI-driven suggestions and tasks, and make them launch from keyboard combos, all from the Spotlight bar. The silent hero of this update would be live activities. Just like on iPhone, real-time updates like flight timings or score of the game you're following will now live at the top of your Mac. And thanks to iPhone mirroring, clicking them opens the relevant app directly from your phone. Tahoe 26 also brings live translation with real-time audio translation to messages, FaceTime, and phone. You can delete your Duolingo app now. And yes, gamers, Apple's finally putting its silicone to work with a new Metal 4 engine, complete with frame interpolation and a new games hub for launching titles, tracking scores, and connecting with friends. If you've been waiting for a reason to update your Mac, this is it. So, when are you updating? Tell us in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.